this video, I'm going to be telling you which is the better VPN. Now, today we're comparing Tailscale along with Netbird. Now, these are two huge new VPNs that I've come across recently, and I personally, who use a lot of VPNs, I've done a little bit of research just to, see what the difference really is between these two virtual private networks. If you don't already know, how Tailscale works is each device generates a public or private key pair. Now, what this does is means that each device generates its own location code. So it looks like you have multiple devices and not just one device across 5 in like the same location. But you can still connect all of the private devices to the same network, which makes it really easy for sharing files and just managing access too. I really like Tailscale just because it's secure and only your devices that are on your network, you have your own private network, can communicate with others. They don't communicate with any other devices that are on the network at all. Now, it's basically like your own private community. That's what Tailscale is. And it's just really easy to use when it comes to creating this community. So it does cost a little bit more than Netbird, I believe, but Netbird is more of one of those virtual private networks. If you're trying to go for like zero interaction, like zero data save, basically what I'm saying is Netbird is more open source. Like it doesn't need a firewall. It doesn't need a private network. It can just like go over databases, the standards that are currently set on your computer. It can just like almost override them, but in an extremely safe way. Just like it's extremely easy to set up. And Netbird's genuinely better if you are just scaling like a bigger team. Now you can use it for like any of them, but the main difference between Tailscale is Tailscale leans towards functionality with ACL sync, but Netbird emphasizes user experience and minimal, configuration. So it's basically just really easy to use. They're both really good options, honestly. I honestly recommend just trying out the free trial for both of them and seeing which one you like better. But Netbird is just extremely open source. It's just extremely easy to set up and yeah, just like creating your own virtual private networks. But yeah, again, I just recommend checking both of them out and let me know what y'all think in the comments.